Hi, I'm Heather from Seattle, and I recently purchased Kari Gran's mini kit with the Rose Hydrating Tonic, and I bought it because I use the essential serum and the hydrating tonic every evening, every morning. I use it every day, and I have some upcoming travel, and I needed something smaller to take with me. When I use the essential serum, especially in combination with the hydrating tonic, my skin feels clean and nourished and fresh and soft. And I love the Rose Hydrating Tonic, especially because I am a huge fan. I love the smell of fresh wild roses, and this tonic captures it so beautifully. If you're thinking about trying these products, you should go for it. The mini kit, the cleansing oil, the essential serum, the hydrating tonic. I've been using these exclusively for over a year. My skin feels incredible, it looks incredible, it feels healthy. I feel good about what I'm putting on my skin. It's really important to me as I continue to age that I really be thoughtful about the products that I'm using, and supporting a local Seattle business feels really good to me. It also feels good to know that the products I'm using are natural and plant-based, and the results are incredible. I wouldn't go back. And you have your choice between lavender and rose. Some people like the calming effects of the lavender. I just am in love with the scent of the rose. I feel like it opens my heart and gets me refreshed and embodies the mood that I want to have every single day. I use it in the evening, I use it in the morning, and I wouldn't go back.